emerges from her secret exit as Batgirl, even as the BatMobile arrives in Gotham City during a passing shower, without a driver, which Alfred is explaining to his abducted employer.
I trust you're receiving me, sir, wherever you are.
And wherever you are, I believe I've located you. Help is on the way.
I'm advising Commissioner Gordon of your whereabouts, and I took the liberty of sending in the Batmobile by remote bat control.
In case it can do its bit, sir. Over and out.
Hear that?
Most of it. Too bad there's no way to get back to him.
Now what are you two mumbling about? What's that awful odor? It's all over the place.